Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to stop the intrusion now. First, disconnect the network. Unplug the Ethernet cable or toggle Wi-Fi off so the remote user loses connection. Once done, lock the screen using Windows plus L or Mac OS Control plus Command plus Q to prevent further interaction. Next, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and look for remote access tools or unfamiliar processes. You're checking for active connections. If you see something suspicious, note the process name but do not reboot yet. Gathering details helps the next steps. Once the connection is cut and you have process names, terminate suspicious processes and uninstall any unknown remote access applications. Then, inspect system remote settings. Check Remote Desktop, VNC, TeamViewer, AnyDesk, and similar for active sessions and authorized devices. Revoke any unfamiliar entries. Make sure to change local account and key online passwords immediately, starting with email and admin accounts, because credentials may have been captured. Also enable multi-factor authentication, where available to prevent the attacker returning. Now complete cleanup. Boot into safe mode and run full antivirus and anti-malware scans to remove lingering tools. Once scans finish, revoke and reissue compromised credentials and monitor system and account logs for at least 72 hours to detect any reconnection attempts. Backup critical files before deeper repair. If suspicious activity or unknown persistence mechanisms remain, plan an OS reinstall. This is the surest way to remove hidden backdoors. Troubleshooting tip. If reinstallation fails to stop access,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.